I'm tired as ass.
And that was sexy as ass also. Show us how to do that awesome trick. Is that switch?
That was nollie and fakie.
Nice.
Okay. I'm gonna show you how to do
2-in-1 video.
I'm gonna show you how to do fakie, okay? Follow me this way. Alright. Time for fakie. Put your front foot about here on the board. That's what I do at least. Come to this side and look at me. You're gonna put your front foot about here and your back foot just below the 2 bolts in the back. Come over here and look. Just below the 2 bolts in the back. You're gonna pop.
You're gonna land it.
But I'm tired as ass, so.
Pretty much. That's as good as you get.
Losers.